Hey everyone, if Raycast feels slow or laggy on your system, don't worry. There are a few simple fixes that can speed things up. So yeah, let's go step by step. First, try restarting Raycast. Quit the app completely, then reopen it. This helps clear temporary memory issues that can build up over time and cause lag. Next, disable any unused extensions. Having too many active extensions can slow down performance. Open Raycast type extensions and turn off anything you're not actively using. This can make a noticeable difference. If it's still lagging, clearing the cache usually helps. Open Finder, go to your library folder, then Raycast, and delete the cache folder. Don't worry, Raycast will rebuild everything automatically when you launch it again. Now make sure your Raycast app is up to date. Open the top menu, click Raycast, then check for updates and install any updates available. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Also, check your background apps. If your system is running too many heavy applications, Raycast might slow down. Closing unused apps can free up resources and improve speed, and that's it. That's how you fix Raycast lag and improve performance. Hopefully, it's running much smoother now, and your workflow feels faster again. Hey everyone.